Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the bench. I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, so everything is prepped and everything is ready. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so we don't have anybody coming over until afternoon, which my mom's coming over and my son. Nice small gatherings. That's what I like nowadays. So what am I here to talk about today on this lovely, cool Thanksgiving day? I'm here to show off my new pipe. So check this out. This is a Danish Egg, and it is from Papa Bear's Pipes in Ohio. I'll leave all of Tim's information down below. Do give him a look. He makes some beautiful stuff. He makes some crazy mortar horns and stuff like that. He makes some standard shapes, and he makes some non-standard shapes that are they're really beautiful. I've been looking at getting a pipe from Tim for quite some time, and I was looking through, and this one just jumped out at me. I love that little adornment there, and it just talked to me. It spoke to me. If you guys watch my channel for a while, you know that I'm not a big pipe collector. I'm more of a tobacco collector, and I only buy 2-3 pipes a year. I always buy a Boswell's pipe on our last RV trip when we go up around Raystown. Go check that video out. It's a beautiful pipe as well. But this is my first Danish Egg, and I'll tell you what, I've been smoking it all week. I got it Monday, and I've been running some good English blends, Balkan blends through it, and I hate breaking pipes into a point. It's kind of like I don't know. I think pipes get a better flavor and taste over time when you get some cake in there and you've smoked them. But this pipe, honestly, and I'm not just bullshitting because, you know, I like Tim and I like his pipes and he's a good guy. This pipe's breaking in pretty sweet. It smokes like a dream. Can pass a pipe cleaner, the whole thing. Everybody who has, you know, issues with things like that. Like I said, I'll leave all Tim's information down below. And if you guys are looking for some artesian pipes to blow your mind, check out Tim. Check out Papa Bear's Pipes. I would say the web address, but it's confusing for me to say it. It's like PAPB, something like that. But all his information will be down below. Give Tim a look. Check out his pipes. Watch the podcast that him and Jim Steffi do. I do believe an episode dropped Wednesday, so it'll be yesterday. Two funny guys, just kind of BSing and cracking jokes, but they do have some good guests. My buddy Terry was on, and they have some pipe makers on, and different things like that. So give that a go too. But once again, I'm just showing off my new pipe from Papa Bear's Pipes. Look at the grain in that. There's like a little bit of bird's eye underneath there too. Trying to get a cool thumbnail, you know, for the video. Well, hey, just a short video. Like I said, it is Thanksgiving, and I'm sure my wife's gonna need me to get help in here pretty soon. Get everything prepped, everything ready to go. Like I said, it's only around 9:30 in the morning, so nothing's really going yet. Well, hey, have a good Thanksgiving. Have a good holiday if you're off. Probably when you're watching this on Friday. Have a good day off. If you're in Western Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, it is gun season, is it? Buck season. If you're out there hunting, stay safe, guys. Bag yourself something good. And just have a good weekend. Well, hey, from the bench, this is Noah. Thanks for stopping by.